na eno no mo board chairman Yewra James Osei Brown e dey say media tuja nze say korowanya eye new coach Eric Tinkler na papa ne ba na manfo so na se Tinkler yi we hwe ni series no ade dia no won hye da nya bibia hu bia en korowanya big it is how kofa coach aba as a coach and series no we do so aye bibi e dia amon na yentie board chairman ase papa ne ba na obesan contract no mama ne tack bi se onyamfama eye Kumasi Asante kro yentie bi na afi yemfa emedi eye enkomo no enso eye.
So we want you to bring Kotoko to the level that all fans want us to be. All that we expect is to win African Cup, to win the league, and then move on to African Cup. This is the expectation. And I know you can handle this. You are trusting me, and I get to you to get out of the box and put you in the full support. So whatever you need, to sports director, and I know that thing is also behind us. Thank you.
Okay, ready at here from Van James say no more bad we be war a change to say background na e bempa.
Sanity. Yentimi kobo Jay-Z we na Kotoko for the coach analebo.
But in the next they na papa ne person work na so o ma catch the coach ni say eye Kotoko no aba no. Kotoko de dwumade ne mawa eye G League na fatim ko Africa. Anya matro amakwa asembia enya abo season awie na me ya ade na mtoso fo enya no Kotoko is too big ye bo league bia o se Kotoko ye na ye je anya hwekranye emienu bi na nsan sa obehwe Kotoko ne ha asina no kanenke ye bo league enim so we anje a we beto so mienu but so we are Jude the last time Asante Kotoko won the league year 2021-2022 season under Ogum and a house of folk and so Jane and Samobodu.
Yes.
2021. No, so J. The last 3 years Yaboni na Liga Yaboyi, Samates Aje, Gold Stars Aje, and a Mediama Aje. Then a Kotoko has betia ye to reclaim sa Kesayano Moyana anytime you bully you omni as well or G League no. Papias me are okay. A feasible, a G League no.
Rich, a good question, Webisa. Na meba asem ne so Barubisa said then Kotoko ne has beat me aye no me answer no kitu abi na me link it to asma me ba beka
okay
on in football yo adie bi in scouting your friend no finest scouting no tiawa eni sir offer Nadi Ali offer Zamalek for Barca for Real Madrid for big clubs or movie I say omo their friend the finest scouting no me say Real Madrid beka say or cost South America no akwa for talent everywhere or kwa for a certain Vinicius Junior South American football on their talent kesi owo samre no akwa fan Barca ka say or beko South America kwa for talent be edenaba or call for the finest one eyanema into obekwa fan Ali and Zamalek particularly Ali joy air finest scouting enti o taking the players on form na yes ugo gola onyomo omo players are go ni momo onim say players we are go any momo so ya we yes but Ali mo en omo ye obi say about Kotoko how to folk answer near very simple Rich nyame adom at least ye di Ghana legacy 30 years and more. Rich ma min try bi. First how to folk ene Kotoko. And the papa bi away in football no bia na ye omo dia.
Player bi abezo obo.
Papa bia no na ye omo dia. Na me try ade bi Emmanuel say ko force so the general. Those days ebusua dwarfs. No ye hot cake. How to folk me kwa kofa na Kotoko nso open no. Okay Charles Taylor. Charles Taylor from Olympics. The finest all system no. Habit mensen ya bre hase mefano na wafano Kotoko Michael say emba power akrakitu a wasi so under 17 wako okay so under 17 no Cecil Jones at go field that was New Zealand 99 boy me jira ne nine so oye hot cake Rich akrano as go ni na wi an Saturday go forth sika wuti mum from dwarfs oni matu atu egbe mu na boy na Kotoko quick Stephen Odro Tiko card akwa could di Gold Falls Den ho from RTU akweni ball ra Herbert see there be me pay the finest minim dia Kotoko no stand for na waya bo mafia at the Abrantia naba into reason here very simple answer here very simple Metro King George atamo time na Kotoko ene Zamalek Koko boy 93 Africa finals no na finest scout from Tete Opokunti bisa no time na no takwa polo at a point a catch and say umre so ito bona Jude ni o wi do beba krobia ne mre no so ni ade ne bai finest scouting Kotoko ne has de no intimate ra de rich hwe unim enye se na liberty ne na se for mo Ghana hanom na omuni talent o metro Ghana ha ho o pe time ba ko pa ne league no me da na se talent no anke o ba bia Oba 90s deba 2000 no more. Liberty they had this player Kalusa Boy I mean say Ayala de kind pa Alfred Nilabi. Monim Bob Pododo. One Samadomo and a boy guy fair colored guy no ba Kotoko no. But that time no said na Kotoko any has your money man. Ye be league we o ye day. Obia o players and yes obia ni bio. Obia obi Akwa United
Kotoko has omun finest review.
Anyhow, Akwa United team no a boy FA Cup or say has AJ no. Alaji Bello any Megamon. The guy is almost quite no more talent, but because of said na Kotoko has omu your money man. Rich untimi ni omun compete yo. But when be no problem no. And the problem I am here huni. Ube who say young apostles what CSM division 1 division 2 omu ani abre omu nim say ye de honom de nim say Kotoko has the omu seniors. And the top players and established names in your media in Tiano, you know, Munko because you need that capacity. No, and Rahu Semi so bones a Kotoko, boy, Romo Division 2. A honor quack talent, not suddenly talent to make us all Fabio where you, but what you send baby a banner so mamu free by. I just upon name and just say you a but oh, quack for our talent in Abano. What the kind after the finest. Our baba be leg na ma odada and some cranny baby understudy because he aje kopon name level no na you obi Kotoko dada do kojopuku mahala so kai adentina na onra first team we saw when you me point me we had talent but that time no Kotoko talent na ekura no some cranny ntimi wura mu suddenly say team na baba ye omodia because omo ball level no omode bo no no sa level no unya ndru ho enti periodically ubetia baba be remember akumienu bi abebobi na emum enya se wo ba be command the first team places certainly ehoni e odia no entesa ba na me yasesa no she has players offer she Kotoko players offer any baby or form free aso free Ghana no akwa ma no ne nso a otimi kokofa players bi ba o check your profile she yes and watching mo beba ben nam krom ha na Kotoko no akwa fa Abranti yeah ba ya so one problem no but what you had na say it's rich and no problem now me dey link here asem ya making ye papa James Osei Brown akwanya kese no asan nya onim sa Kotoko ye nta nko nsan ma me wura mu biom sa na minimade bi as a matter of fact sa board na oka ho ana ye papa Dr. Kwame Chida no minim sa at a point drew baby new board members you aba Kotoko yi ebi complaining the mamansia mpo said the level on person omo de Kotoko eko ene adwuma on person omo yema Kotoko no because of a certain board member mimbo ni din onu nsi amasa de na omo ntimi nye so omo nya akwanya na sa board member na free team mu aminim se mekan wo huni pakro the level on de Kotoko be kono ene mpanyimfo asanya akwanya asa aba Kotoko mu biom edufu se rich omo bo mu nsu lessons bi se na de e bia nipa na mo mpeso obi onim it is say there you be analyze mu yi na rich ade ani ni Herbert Mensa ba Kotoko de ade bi ba Kotoko sa de no hasen susuan na eye se Kotoko throw letter de amawa o tra ho na ode ne bobre ne trophies awaje Africa no de a sell letter ne so onim the strategy sa krata no corporate entity bi e be ba ho no se Ayala na ebio na sleep anyina onya hu oh okay say na onim much about Kotoko e bia edin no atom say a big club but on say that much about the club mpo at least when your profile be say oh okay club awaje Africa twice right part what you say enti onim say me no deal you are special So Sadia no ewo later how to can so adopt a very good marketing strategy. Now Kotoko afa new coach. New coach now waba no. Yenim and Obianim said Dina over the period mensia say all pedia free and paying for the Kotoko team mom. It is clear. Mensia say that is the point. Shemira me mo so ka only bring your time. Only bring your time Kotoko jail. Mira kan. And you're right. Harriet me try there be Africa, you know. And you say, who bro, so say, me jitum say sikasem ka. But me chua junesi adi be so bro. You're James or say Brown. Nkoma ye di ontie ni ye na daroma. Me nim say obi te say Eric Tinkler. By virtue of where he's coming from. One, untimi nka say player salary bosu me besu ye ntua. Pachoti. Kotoko sa ade nso there for quite some time now. Oya ade. Eye ya na otua ni players ka. Enti anya problem because me ma onye me be ma Eric Tinkler obetimi agya adwuma no. Rich and I say we be impose player on so. Or you be a no certain agency mu. Or free agency no. Only reason to free agency no. The reason was that agency na mu no. Ne nkrofo ni bi so the player be man. No see no mempene. E be issue no train ho. Very principled person. Dia opano fama no. O de man adwuma no be dia man. And me ojibi so obetimi adwuma because obi a principle that onim di oye player warfare very key at the man. Okay. Rich onim. And common I ye di no nkomo emi say gisi echemu because you nyam drew baby.
Now di wi ano na unyamomrem.
Rich, cast your mind back. But the last club of free Ghana how timi ball CAF Confederations Cup semi-finals na hwan.
Dreams.
Good. Why are there? Dreams FC, Metro. Na nye say ni sikasem yo meboa ni sikasem na ye Dreams says to ankwa fafa players bia o except man yi John Entry na nye Sylvester Simba mo na ebo ene jalelu mo ayo mo a but reach no ma dia Dreams FC ye ebo ane ma ne drew sa level no one their friend consistency na wo team hwe Dreams team no ode a boy no mo abo mo ho ache entina telepathy ye adwuma chemistry ye adwuma. Check media team or the ball Champions League or group stage. And at the back first na minu nanim say Ebuama Herbert. In a way, Obo no more the do one trophy biao. Make a recognized trophy minimum 4 trophies or within 1 month and na make. By recognized trophy say Abia leg and answer Africa no 1 GB. By returning the mo timide Kotoko a certain level. I am a major Larsen. And so etimide Kotoko a course our level. Nay because of consistency. Herbert Bino or decided say Kotoko and Tony players. And to upper quality the ababeshemu and Kotoko any national team players or upper quality babeshemu or make sure say for at least 3-year period Kotoko maintaining the squad. Read then or Kotoko and Africa finals. That time now Africa finals no. Make Kotoko Express. Herbert to say Kotoko ne work of Morocco ebabesia first league Morocco no. Na or to work of Morocco club president come or to front. No mu din common or realize say work of Morocco offer the budget one Kotoko budget aye no obey me say times 30 and at times 20 and na work of Morocco budget but Kotoko bo Africa need do point be a grand finale e kake chua bi na nkoje yan say that who difference because no consistency here adwuma na meticulous planning. Okay. They had the vision. It's a way apart.
One.
From a train,
glory days now.
Perfect.
Consistency
is very key. And just say coach no uti.
Players.
Yes. Also return club Africa. Uti. Ya bebo season area no. Na return club players or do omu ya adwuma no. Already what omu be 610 eko. Obeden was successful.
But me that's pa Jude. Ala brema ina Asante go asemi. Bob Chairman say the task of Modiama the new coach and it's a only league no mfa Kotoko nko Africa.
Per Kotoko as a club ni suni the bind there. That should be the minimum target for Kotoko. But recently baby a Kotoko won. I don't know whether a social media phone na omo where to cut and omodi sa part no so can video no abeto abonten or if the board chairman should get the opportunity to address Kotoko supporters before the start season and Kasana and Kobekan they are. Say if and then Mr. Brown share Kotoko supporters in a statement before the start of the season. Now Okase on the board now a chairman of no any club Asante Kotoko. Omoni Swadi who target this season is to win the league and go to Africa there. That's what Okase me analyzes our statement now. Make us say for me enka minya yanko nyan to boasia kakra.
Too early. Asa Kotoko big.
As someone may start to one thing and I say
yes, yeah, Gilly.
Me say Kotoko Suba and the Bob ready. That is how it's supposed to be. But the recent Kotoko, baby Kotoko was see.
Omuni the Digi League, no.
I was almost Tom Rare and more. Especially as a new board. You see, sometimes on the Biameka say in the football ecosystem, no, I think the air form kakra media no. Because it is easy to propound theories and tell people who they are and what they are supposed to do. But so know, enough from Mamen can't say me job. Who said ye be a transfer window? No, say why you careful with Ghana football transfers? It tells you one thing. Say about Ghana ha in Pempeya TSCA. Say yen top players across board obi pe we akofa we di we hun koma. Rich, there's no difference between Kotoko and Haas. Any class B say Ediana Mediama any Omomakan. There's no difference.
Because
whoever you are chasing, the other clubs are chasing too. And difference bien say players I nay omoye creme de la creme se bimpo wa. I prefer Kotoko and Haas to the other teams. There's no difference. And already no. A Barca yes, you about pressing starting season now. The standard and the quality of players are Kotoko no. And we have been our medium. And we have been our baby any Gold Stars. And we have been our Haas. And we have been our Diana. No no. Adianka first no. Abema Kotoko. Abru baby any Gold Stars no. CCA in Pemprey, baby any Gold Stars at the Bro Kotoko so. The environment near the league no. And to say yeah but Kotoko against baby any Gold Stars. Baba Sports Stadium. Okoha.
Empty.
You don't feel anything to tell you say this is a big club Kotoko creating intimidating atmosphere to beat a smaller club like baby any Gold Stars. But go to the dance park in a reverse vista.
Why man?
A journal saw from an opportunity to 1 week even before the game, beba. Ube do come they have prepared Kotoko batam. I was see a show mo. That used to be Kotoko has trump card. And to play the Kotoko has in the week towards the game, Niyam crashes no. In a baba supposed to do me run me pejamiti. Many per 40,000, 30,000. I feel red qual. You're possible on my requirement to me and control. But the Kotoko players are used to that. I'm the best show. Man, so I will say a Ghana League in Commander Woodia, Rich. It is more fearful to play football or Samurai Boy against amateurs than to play Kotoko or Baba Sports Stadium. I am more fearful to play Baby Gold Stars or Dance Park than to play House of Folk or either Legon Stadium or the Accra Sports Stadium. And then the Waji League Ejano. And it's the only players in China. Only atmosphere in China.
The tanker number 12 no.
Only in China. A basic Samunswa. Untimin can't cheer in Pempe and Kasei. Sakotoko ewo football sika. Eche mediama. Sakotoko football sika eche baby any Gold Stars. Sakotoko football sika eche Diana Stars. No. Untimin can't cheer with CCA rich.
Mr. Senchen so come dey ura sama
say has football sika ati media ma say football sika ti ediana and football sika ti baby any go stars and asamates enti edie na ma Kotoko ne has want the edge to win the Ghana Premier League. Other clubs in the be catching me. Unless Kotoko companion for the Shishaya to Kwemu to redeem all those little things now. Nemo munya the edge over the other teams now. Omalusuno. You see, se eba teteno examples of players be no winning ball bar or aba the dynamics that chingy da. Rich, sene se wo Richardo 11. Na oye nin kakra wo division 2. The reality is that 40 years ago, se akra bi pie wo team nim no special a. Akra ne busu afa ba ka cho se na nisu ade hu so okwakobo Kotoko. Okwakobo has. Enti de wo ye nyina ne se o market akwa na package na ate se Kotoko ne has beba. Na waton na ma omo na waji usika. And today 2026 say oh yes division 2 no na unyenya special talent between the ages of 18 19 17 16 Rich first thing is to pick your course and call your connected people and say Charlie menya special talent to why ne betim na ko Europe amame nti ubon so okay o metim nya deal o Serbia amano menya deal of Finland medini be ko Italy ata legacy be fro metimi anya connection bi wo Brescia ana Syria bibi no akobo afi waba no krena me person can say today all the special talent at the youth level are sold to Europe. None of them and Kotokonias can compete to buy them from the division 2 division 1 no. And even the division 2 division 1 now Jude can once say Kotokonias score Kotono. They are not the best there. So for no, they are not the best players there. No Rich and then say a bank crowd team ben about dream and then right to dream. Have you seen right to dream players play for Kotokonias? Who they say them to them? Yeah, they are crying Konojilan. I was a Kotokonias. And that's a Kononimbo. A crabby Onimbo right to dream will be ano. Nancy Council of Konojiland. Tell me. Say, in the last 10 years, a crabby and Nimbo right to dream on Konojiland. In a Konojiland, they are Femua Copa Yasibi. I'm not Kushieska or Tottenham de Abrea. Who say I'm a Tony Kotokonias? Dear no mobile for him. That is the reality today. That is the reason why this Kotoko board, they've studied the trend with Nhyira. And Nhyira is air catch home say, look, no kwenye see a bit me getting back to the pinnacle. We need say I was at the there. Until those say to team no. Mumu ni koso. Nation develop here because who say in the last 10 years akrabi e wapiemu o mamu ha bi onimbo bobia e wo club papa na sakana mu papa bia by the time you bedu oni aton akwa no ko mami ma example na mfama no nsi time Kotoko lusu justice blame no unim player pa na Kotoko e peno as some number 6 sa player no bo e ma brekum Chelsea. One tall young guy be.
And as I call Italy.
I've forgotten that. Oh, ni didn't escape him here. We have a story in the crowd. Rich, when they place the call to Brekum Chelsea, unim komane o echere. Player no obo Chelsea but onye Chelsea mpo player.
Okay.
Or ye player from Ata Legacy. Uria Africa for no one kind of. And Ata Legacy, Edina Bat Chelsea because only more was our partnership no. And you have a lot of players in the last CM our mukoko abochino oba na omumia na okoko Chelsea be one season na scouts na be falco. And when Kotoko called so mu pa come say hey akwa we dia you go onye player o. You turn a percentage aye wo kakra bi. Rich sa season impa marry ye and a boom. Akwaniko Italy. You can buy the best young players in Ghana. Augustin Boachia, now say a friend of Blastasi.
Tamano say Akama fan. He was the best young player in the league when it's Ubetime Akono. Naskebo Ubetimetia. You didn't kwabo chire. So that is the reality. Kotoko has any edge. They don't have money. The reality of the recruitment to get special footballers in any same game. Now, Omopoma sebi Oma Badru Amatra the young age never to make Europe no. Rich. There's no way Kotoko can compete Simba. Coffee, national coffee. Sa team ne wo Rwanda no befa mega eko ya omusa befa which mo lamti BB RP you can you how will you be able to
and the Goma
there are players at Kotoko crab and making superstars out of them in Ghana, then they are gone. Yeah, but statistics way Samba on their way Mo Kamara way
Samba bro mean show no onim say coach
enjoy
onim say retinkler Samba no or per se Samba is stay or say or can plans because why not just
that's the point Samba no beso comedian
na Samba why not can plans Samba Samba but you can't you don't have the capacity
because
you don't have the capacity
Simon Kotoko has I'm venture home right now say